So yun, what's up guys? Kamusta ang lahat? Time check 5:38 PM dito sa Dubai. I'm with my two handsome very best friend. See? Handsome, huh? Other one. I'm with two handsome guy. Yeah. So ayun. Anong pag-uusap natin? Ayun, bigla pala akong nawala sa sa live mo, Ate Rawi. Pasensya na kasi biglang dumating yung taga Manejo. Ayun, ihatid na nila ako doon sa kabilang palasyo kasi pinapatawag na ako ng aking amo. So yung alaga ko inauna na doon kasama na ni amo. So ako na solo flight. Kasama ko tong dalawang taga Manejo namin. Gugapon. Bumibigay ako. Pogi nila. Ang sarap nila kainin. Ayan, gawa na tayo ng vlog mga 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Ayan. Hanggang nasa biyahe. Kasi ang biyahe namin papunta doon siguro mga nasa 5 minutes din. Medyo malapit lang din naman dito yung kabilang palasyo na pinag-aatiran sa doon sa nanay ng ating amo. What can you say about my vlog? Okay, do it. It's your vlog now. It's not my vlog.
My vlog?
Yeah, you vlog na.
You can guys, subscribe
channel.
Yeah, my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Is
not my YouTube channel.
Yeah, and share the videos. Something you wanna tell something?
No, nothing, brother. It's okay. Enjoy, okay. Life is so short, okay.
Yeah.
You can enjoy life.
Please support him, guys. He's nice vlogger.
Yeah.
We're going
to Walpur.
Yeah, after work.
Yeah.
Now you know how to vlog na. Make a YouTube channel na.
Later.
Okay. The good
So yan. Handsome, right? Two handsome men. I am with two handsome men.
You also, brother.
Me? Shuada. Me Kachara.
No. You are
Show them the Burj Khalifa.
The Burj Khalifa. But against the light because of the sun. They cannot see it properly because of the sun. So ayan, nakakailang minuto na tayo, 3 minutes.
No headphone.
But we have also interest at the time.
You know, vlogging, it's not about the time. See, like this, you are driving. You can put your camera there. And then
tripod.
Yeah, and then speak without showing your face. Speak while you are driving.
And the editing, how you editing? The laptop something?
No, only this phone. I'm using this phone. There's a application you can use, CapCut. Even you did not edit, just upload the video, no problem. Yeah. If you are interested, you can start now, no? See, you are always going somewhere. Actually, you have the right time to do that because you are going somewhere. Unlike me, when I go into our workplace, only inside. I cannot do vlogging there, no? Problem to our boss if I do vlog there.
Actually, the driver is going to good location.
Yeah.
Malls also like that.
Yes. Start vlogging na. So yun, we have now 4 minutes. Another 2 minutes and then we will end this vlog. Only make 7 minutes video, 10 minutes video, you can upload. And also there's a lot of people will watch this because you are showing the Dubai. Dubai road, different kind of places you are going.
If we have luck, maybe one video enough.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Million, 10 money coming here upon.
Maybe you are traveling time, one accident happening, or someone jumping. We can catch her.
Yeah. That will become viral, no?
You can make it.
So yun guys, nakaka 6 minutes na tayo. So ayan, meron na naman akong vlog. Bye bye, love you all.
Kasama ang toba, walang iwanan. Laging game sa kulitan, walang hangganan.